Greetings to all. I'm Denis Biswakarma and I'm doing Master in Geoinformatics in Nepal Open University. And this video is about the submission of the final assignment of the course WebGIS taught by the Mr. Suman Baral. And talking about my project, I have created a small WebGIS with some functionality. First of all, let's talk about the folder structure. So here you can see the index.html file. So this is the HTML file, and there are two folders. One is the CSS, where I have stored the style.css file, which hold all the CSS files or codes, and then next one is the JS. So it contains the script.js file, which contains all the codes for the rendering the maps as well as other backend functionalities. So this is the code of the index.html. So this is the style.css, and this is the script.js. Okay, all the codes depends upon these three files. And talking about the database, I have used the Postgres with the PostGIS extension. So I have hosted the table inside the database WebGIS. So we can see here all the rows. Okay, so here is all the data that is contained in this district table. So we can see the geometry also. So this is the geometry. Okay, so I have used this data in the GeoServer for creating the WMS layer. So I have created the workspace that is named WebGIS A. Then I have created the store. So this store has the data source from the PostGIS. So I have given here the host name, port, database name, schema, user, and password. Okay, and then I have the layers. So I have used this layer. Okay, so the name of the layer is district, and it is from the WebGIS workspace. So we can preview it. Before that, I want to say that I've also created a custom style. So this is the custom style I have created. Okay, so this is the custom style. We can see the layer preview from here also. So we can see it in the open layers. So this is the layer from the GeoServer. This is the WMS style. Okay, now let's see the code and let's run the live server. Okay, so it will open the project in the browser. So by default my browser is the Microsoft Edge. You can open it in the other browser also. And so this is the layer that is loaded from the GeoServer. This is the WMS layer, and here are the 4 buttons: select base layer, filter by province, calculate distance, and convert to GeoJSON file. So when I click on here, and we can see the 5 different types of base layer. So I will click the satellite, so I can get the satellite base layer. Okay, similarly I can also use the topographic one. This is the topographic base layer, and this is the dark mode, and this is the light mode. Okay, we can also add other layers, base layers also. So the next button I have created is the filter by province. So this filter by province When I click here, it will show the list of the province. When I click on one of them, it will show all the districts that lies in that province. So this is the Madhya province. Similarly, Kosi province, Bagmati province, Gandaki province, Lumbini, Karnali, and Sudar Paschim. So this functionality use the SQL filter to filter the WMS tile. The next functionality is the calculate distance. So if you click the calculate distance and zoom over this somewhere, or you can click on anywhere. So if we click on here and here, it will calculate the distance between the 2 points. And similarly, if you click on more points, it will continue calculate the distance like this way. And if you click the calculate distance again, it will reset it. Okay, and again we can calculate this way. So the next functionality is the convert to GeoJSON. For this, we can click here and it will shows the dialog box to get the shape file. So I'm gonna click this. So this shape file should contain the necessary file that our shape file needs, like SSP, SHX, DBF, and PRJ file, and it should be in the compressed format, zip format. So I'm going to open it, and if I edit on here, and it will show the edit layer here. Okay, this is the one in the blue is the layer that I have added, and after adding this, we'll get the download GeoJSON file. Okay, so if I click here, it will download it, and we can see it in the WebGIS. Okay, yeah, this is the one we have converted and downloaded. So this was done by the top.js, and I have used other libraries such as leaflet.js and ssp.js for this. And this is all about my small WebGIS application. Thank you.